Yo, what's up everybody? So this morning a friend of mine reposted a tweet from the artist, the singer rapper Jidenna. It said he was looking for somebody that could do a caricature of him and his boys. So I decided to step up to the challenge. This video is me drawing Jidenna and two of his artists, and hopefully I get noticed, but if not, at least it makes great content. All right, let's go. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed me drawing Jidenna and his two artists, and hopefully I sent it out as a tweet, and hopefully he got it and saw it and liked it, and if not, then well, you know, at least I gave it my best shot. If you guys like this video, please go ahead and give it the thumbs up and share it all over the internet. And if you're new here, hey, what's up? Welcome. Definitely subscribe to the channel. And everybody hit the bell icon. That's going to let you know when I post up a new video. If you want to get a hold of me, you can always get a hold of me at Instagram and Twitter at DKG72. Or you can always follow me on my Facebook fan page and TikTok. That's David Gordon 72. And if you really like the channel, click the link to my Patreon below in the comments. Definitely go support there. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you all tomorrow. Peace.